Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Let's start the Windows 10 installation inside MacBook Air. Okay, so I have already told you that if you comment and if you want me to install Windows 10 inside MacBook M1, M2, M3, you can tell me in the comment section. I will show you how to install it. And now I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 inside your MacBook using UTM application. Okay, so UTM, virtualization software. Now you can see this is my MacBook Air M1. Inside this, I am going to install Windows 10 inside the UTM. So what you have to do, you have to just click here on the create a new virtual machine. So you can see I just create here. Then click on the virtualize. Then click on Windows. Now here you can see there are so many options. Select this option, import VHDX image. You can see this option, second option, import VHDX image. So just click here, and once you click here, click on browse, and then select this Windows VHDX file. If you don't have, if anyone have done this Windows file, you guys have no Windows 10 file, you can ask me through the comment section, or I will share this file in the description box. Okay, now just click on open and then click on okay, don't forget to select this option, install drivers and spice tools. Okay, and then click on continue. Here you can see by default my RAM 4 GB, CPU cores just mentioned 4 here, and then click on continue. Just click on continue, save it. And now you have to wait for a few seconds here. Okay, the UTM application is loading Windows 10 and all the software which is required. Okay, so you can see Windows 10 loaded here. Also, if something required, some extra software required, it will automatically install. Okay, so you just have to give some time here. So after waiting for 30 seconds, you can start the installation. So just click on installation and you will see this screen. Remember, installation will take some time, so you have to keep patience. Okay, so you can see the UTM application is loading, starting the services, getting ready. And if you want to make it full screen, let's first minimize this one. And if you want to make it full screen, you can just maximize it. Okay, and see. Don't skip any steps. If you skip and then you ask me in the comment section, sir, we are not able to understand how we set up, or I am getting some error. Okay, so that will be your problem then. That's why I'm telling you, watch the complete video, because I am not going to skip anything and I am going to explain you everything in detail, everything, whatever required for your Windows installation. So you can see this time, like for few seconds, there will be black screen. The MacBook UTM application is actually loading the Windows graphics. Okay, so that's why it's you will see black screen for few seconds or like for 1 minute. You don't have to worry, just wait. Okay, so have the patience. So it's like MacBook is just testing your patience here. Okay, so like if you have patience or not. If you are able to wait for a few seconds, you will see it will ask you the other option which is required for Windows installation, and I will show you what options you have to select during installation. Okay, you don't have to do mistakes, so just wait. Now you can see installation done automatically, and now it's rebooted the system. So you can see just a moment, it means Windows is loading. You can see this symbol, and if you remember, you can see it's asking, is this the right country or region? You can select the country according to your location. So mine is India, so I will select India, then click on yes, and then click on yes, keyboard, skip. Let's connect to the network. When you ask you let's connect to the network, you don't need to connect right now. Skip here, I don't have internet, and I will skip this option. It will ask you, these are the more discover when you connect to the internet, like it will update your Windows. Okay, like if you want to update your Windows, okay, and unlock the best Windows system, you can continue with limited setup. Just click on continue with limited setup. Okay, then accept the license agreement. Here you can see, please review the license agreement. Click on accept. Now it's asking username, like whatever username you want to give. I'm giving it this username Satish. Click on next. It's asking for password. I am giving the password, suppose Red Hat. Confirm the password. Type the password again, Red Hat. Okay, click on next. Now it will ask you some security questions, 3 security questions. Just give it in. What is your first school? Okay, what is the name of the first school you attended? Okay, next display. You can give your answer. I can giving it convent. Suppose give it convent. Click on next. Then select the second question. What is the name of city where you are born? Suppose Jaipur. Then click on next. Then it will ask you the third question. What is the name of your oldest cousins? Write anything. Suppose Chintu. And click on next. 3 questions only. You give the answer. Now you have to scroll down from here. Click on accept and accept. And it will load, and you can see Microsoft Windows has loaded inside your, and it's ready to boot inside your MacBook Air. It's very easy to set up Windows 10 inside your MacBook Air M1, M2 or M3. Okay, now if you are not getting the image, I will share you the image also. Okay, so just wait. Is showing that this might take few minutes. It's installing some drivers in the background, so you just have to wait. Almost there, and here it is. So you can see install a new build of Windows. Now if you want to update like Windows, okay, like Windows, you can update it, but right now I'm not. I will just click here, maybe later. It will ask you some option. Click on yes, yes, and in this way I have installed Windows 10 Pro inside my MacBook. Okay, if you want to reboot, you can see restart and shutdown options are here. Okay, so in this way you can download and install Windows inside MacBook Air M1 or M2, whatever you have. Or you can see I have installed, and I have given 64 GB space to this Windows operating system. Okay, if you want to give more, you can give it more, but this setting is more than enough. If you want to change the settings here, you can change the graphics setting, like click on graphics setting here, and you can see there are so many options here. First, go back, go on advanced display setting. By default it has taken 800 into 600. Okay, so you can see here it's depend on your resolution, you have to update the driver, and then you can also increase the display up to 1080p or 9020. So Windows is perfectly working fine. Okay, you can do whatever you want inside your Windows. You can see HDR setting option. By default it is stream HDR video no, use HDR video no, because no driver has been installed. So you can set up it by installing the drivers. Okay, so you can click on detect. So you can say it's not another detect, only one driver is available here. So right now, if you want to update, you have to connect with internet, and then you can also update. But if you want to download work on any specific software, you can easily work. If you want to download from Microsoft Store, you can download from Microsoft Store. Okay, in the later upcoming classes, I will show you how to set up network between your Windows, this Windows, and suppose you have another Windows laptop or Linux laptop. You can set up a network between this and you can transfer data. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how to set up MacBook Air. Inside your MacBook Air M1, how you can install Windows 10 or Windows 11 in the same way. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching, and keep supporting me. Okay, if you want such videos, keep supporting me, because it will take time and effort, and I love to make such videos for you guys. So thank you for watching. So let me shut down this Windows machine.